Karl Theodor von Piloty was born October 1, 1826, died July 21, 1886. He was a German painter, noted for his historical subjects, and recognized as the foremost representative of the realistic school in Germany. After a journey to Belgium, France, and England, Piloty commenced work as a painter of genre pictures, and in 1853 produced a work, Amme, which, on account of its originality of style, caused a considerable sensation in Germany at the time. He was appointed keeper of the Munich Academy, being afterwards ennobled by the King of Bavaria. Piloty was the foremost representative of the realistic school in Germany.